Yes.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Trendon. I don't see you.
You gotta get like the big cloud of smoke in the road when we're done.
Trendon's gone.
Come up out of the smoke. Oh shit,
Holy shit, that's a lot of smoke. You like popped out of that right in the corner of the phone. Man, it looks like Wiz Khalifa's bus is here.
now get footage of the damage.
I can't breathe.
Shit. That's so
Oh
stupid.
Lord.
You can't see, you could barely see the corner of the front of the edge where the door is.
That shit is pretty sick though, the way it rolls out of there.
Now when it's a lot cooler.
God, that was so fast because I was like, it was all just sitting behind me. Like that, in that one instant. It was like this huge cloud. Like, if that one
That's the guy that was
Pardon.
disappeared.